Damn. Wind is going nuts out here. And it's dusty. Holy cow. It looks like Dust Bowl out here. Whatever.